Hello guys, it's about time to make vlogging right now because it's an honor to have our visitor. He's no longer our visitor because she is a member of our family. He is no other than by Oji Alcacid, the second. Right now, I gonna make vlogging because my um, there's no need to say my name. It's an honor to announce our visitor, our distinguished visitor. He is no other than by Ojar Casita II. Right now, he's here because he gonna visit us for the sake of the reunion, family reunion. Are you okay? How's life going on from nowadays? Are you okay? Can you, can you, okay, can you say something? Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, how about you? Kuya, are you okay? Is everything is okay? Nanda ore umaewa. As I told you, I'm gonna make vlogging today because our visitor just arrived today. Don't be worried. That is excluded in my video. No need to say it. I know it. Hello, Beth. Are you okay?
I'm not so okay, but I'm okay. Why?
Why? What are you doing right now?
I'm hoping to make a lumpia
Come on.
sarigua. You know that lumpia sarigua?
Come on. Don't be shy. Speak
No,
up.
I'm not shy.
Speak up. Don't be shy.
I don't try.
Don't be shy. Huwag ka mahiya. Say something about what you're doing.
I'm doing that.
What are you
I'm
doing?
doing
You gotta
to
make
make
balot-balot.
make balot-balot
Lumpia.
lumpia.
How about you, Amisang? Can you say something about yourself?
Dami na yun.
Can you say something? Come on, you speak up. Don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
Huwag ka mahiya.
I'm not shy.
No, don't be shy.
Because walang shy.
Just say something. Just say something about what you're doing.
Noise. No noise.
How long it takes? You're cooking. Kuya, are you drinking wine? Is it okay to drink wine? Oh, very good. Don't drink too much. I just want to remind you, don't drink too much. Little by little only. Just only a little bit you can drink, but not too much. Okay? Bye bye until now. My video. Bye bye. I'm gonna make some video.